Hey everyone, this is Mallory from Lilyfields Photography, and I thought I'd do a small tutorial on how to create a watermark in Photoshop. So first thing, you're going to hit Create New, and then you're going to make sure it's the default Photoshop size, and hit Create. Okay, so next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go to your text button, and you want to switch your paintbrush to black, and you can do that on X or just by clicking it. And then you're going to hit that and just tap on the page. Next thing you hit backspace and do your Lilyfields or whatever watermark you want. Then you're going to hit the marquee button. Select all. There we go. Just select that. And then you're going to hit your edit and go to define brush preset. Click on that. Number it whatever you like or put the name to it. Mine I put a 6. Hit that, cancel that out because you don't need that anymore. Open it up, grab a picture you like. Change the paintbrush to the style or to the color you like. Hit on there, and there you go. That's how you do your watermark. Thank you.